All right, it's Leah with Thrive Life Foods. I just wanted to show you how to do a quick smoothie. So here I am doing some medjool dates. You always want to make sure that you do squeeze them and take out the seed in the middle. So here you will see the seeds. Make sure you throw those away. And normally I let these soak so they'll be a little softer, but I'm just putting them into my alkaline water right now. Grab a towel here. And here I'm going to go ahead and add apples, bananas, blueberries, and strawberries. I don't know about you, but a lot of times we just won't do that for ourselves. Cut up some apples and throw them in there. Here it's already cut and ready for you. So all you have to do is just make sure to take out the little package. I just throw a few in there. Put your package back together and then add each one. So here, going to add the strawberries. Take out my little dry pack. You can put as much or as less that you would like. So here I just kind of put as much as I want. Put the lid back on. Let's go to some bananas. I got tired of buying bananas. So here is the bananas, and I'm amazed at how much we buy bananas and it really does not have banana flavor. I can tell you these have banana flavor. You only need a few. So most of the time I'm usually putting like 2 or 3 bananas in my smoothie, and it's even when they're almost throwable, well, where you have to throw them away, or just even medium yellows, and I have no flavor. So I get excited to use these, and it's already has tons of flavor for me. Here's the blueberries. Kind of give a little better look on that. Dump some of those in there. Turn off my little oven here. Got some stuff in there. And that is ready to rock and roll. So you can see how easy it is to just plug those in there. Now you've got blueberries, strawberries, bananas, and apples. You can add milk, water, whatever you want. I'll go ahead and mix it up in my NutriBullet and drink away. I hope you will take a closer look at the Thrive Life Foods. And if you have any questions, make sure to contact me. Again, my name is Leah, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.